the world of colors. I'm Colors. Today we're going to be making a front door piece, this gnome Santa, that'll go great on your front door. He measures 23 inches long and 12 inches wide, and he's just adorable Santa gnome to go on your front door. So I'll be back in just a moment to tell you the things we're going to need to make him. What we're going to need to make him is these garland ties from Dollar Tree. We're going to need a couple of those. They come 12 in a package, but we're just going to use 2. We're going to need a little red paper ribbon bow, and we're going to need a white pom-pom, a package of these foams, scatter foams, different shapes, Christmas tree and boots and snowflakes. We're going to use a lot of those out of this package from the Dollar Tree. We're going to need a red or white candy canes. These come in red and white in a package together at Hobby Lobby. So we're going to use one of these candy canes or something similar to this. We're going to need a tinsel hat, large tinsel hat from Dollar Tree. We're going to need some miscellaneous tinsel like this, thin tinsel. We're going to need a little bit of polyester fiberfill, and we're going to be using a 10-inch by 7-inch long, 10-inch wide by 7-inch long beard in white. And then we're going to use these pants. That's actually a party hat that goes like this, and we're going to use them as pants for our door piece. And I've used these before on claws when I made claws to Santa, and I wanted to use the rest of the ones that I have, so I'm going to use this piece on my door piece today. So these I got at Amazon. You can get 3 in a package for $11 and some change. They come from a company called Joy-In on Amazon. And if you got 3 in a package, you just have to, you'd have most of the supplies that you needed to make a few of them for gifts and presents, and ones for yourself, and you'd have a few to go around. So the other thing we're going to be needing is 3 of these 9x9 pieces of fleece, white fleece or off-white fleece, and a few rubber bands. And that's all we're going to need besides your glue gun, your glue sticks, and your scissors. So I'll be right back and we'll get started. The first thing you want to do is take out your 10-inch wide by 7-inch long beard, and we'll take and glue the corners up on it so it rounds it out a little bit. Just put a little V shape of glue on the corners there and turn the corners up. Then is what we want to do is take our tinsel hat and take off the poinsettia, or the holly berries actually. Take off the holly berries, if you can. There we go. And just throw those out, and then flip it over. Then you want to take your beard, and we're going to glue the beard onto the hat like that. So the 2 corners of the beard are right at the bottom of the hat here. It'll go over. It'll like, you see how it's going to go on there? It's going to go straight across here and hit the two corners on the sides. So what we want to do is put the glue on the hat. Have your beard right in the right place. And put your glue on the hat. And just put that on like that. And then you can put a little bit of glue in there. And I'll let that set up and I'll be right back. While this is setting up here, you can take out the pants hat, and you want to take a little polyester fiber fill and put it in the legs and the feet. Puff it up a little bit with the polyester fiber fill. And I've got mine all set up. And then you want to take and flip it over this way with the buckle in the front, and we're going to glue it onto where we did the beard. Same way we did the beard. We're going to glue it right on there. So let's get some glue on there. Just right along the rim of the hat, the same shape. And buckle side down, we'll put it just right on there like that. And I'm going to let that set up. Now I've got that set up a lot of the way, not all the way. I'm going to put some glue inside the pants and glue this part together. And now I'll let it all finish setting up. So I flipped it back over, and I'm applying some hairspray to the beard. And then I'm just making the mustache with my pick. So it should look like that. Got it all shaped up nice. So that while that's drying, we can make our nose and hands. If you want to take out your 3 9x9 pieces of the white fleece, and you want to take out some polyester fiber fill and make a ball in your hands about the size that you would think the nose and hands would be, which is probably about a 2-inch nose and hands. And get that puffed up. And then you get it like that and put your rubber band around it. And then just take your scissors and cut it off. And that's how you do your nose and your hands. I have 3 already made up. And what we're going to do is put some blush on them. Warm them up a little bit. I'm I'm going to do that before I glue them on so that we don't get any blush on the white beard. About like that. And then we're just going to glue the nose right in the middle of the mustache. We'll let that set up right there. And then we'll do the hands. I'm going to do the hands with the blush like I just did the nose. And glue them right onto the beard. Right on both sides right there. And I'll be right back with you. So I've got the hands and the nose glued on, and now I'm just going to start gluing on the rest of the pieces. We want to put 3 snowflakes going across the hat like that. We can put the pom-pom at the top of the hat. And then I want to take the 2 pieces of garland that we have and twist them together. And then take the tinsel, which I got this tinsel, this thin tinsel from last weekend's project that I did this. We did this tinsel gnome. It looked like this from Dollar Tree, and we did it like this last week. And I took the tinsel off, and that's where I got this tinsel from that I'm using today. So we'll just take it and wrap it around the garland. Just give it a little bit more detail, a little bit more sparkle. Like that. Then I'll glue both the ends. Then you just kind of want to make a U shape out of it and put it on your Santa. Turn the ends in like that, and then we'll just glue it to the hands. Glue it down like that. I'm going to do the other side and let it set up, and I'll be right back with you. Those glued on the hands, and we can put our foam shapes on now. I'll put a star right here. I didn't put them in any particular order. when I did the original one. So I'm going to start putting these on, and I think I can do them. They'll hold enough for me to do them. I'll put the Christmas tree. Snowflake. And I'll finish these up and I'll be right back. I've got the garland all set up. It turned out nice. And I'm positioning the candy cane to where it'll be right at the bottom of the hat, right at the top of the nose. Just position it just right. And then I'm going to glue that in place. Got that glued down, let that set up. And then while that's setting up, I'm going to put the little paper ribbon bow that I made for it right here. And I'll be right back. So he's all finished now. He's all ready for your front door. And if you like this video, make sure to like. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.